Welcome to the world of YouTube, where anyone can become a sensation. But what if you desire fame without revealing your face? This is where faceless YouTube channels come in. A faceless YouTube channel, as the name suggests, is a channel where the creator remains anonymous, showing no personal footage or images. This concept is a popular choice for many content creators who prefer to keep their identities private. Maintaining your anonymity on YouTube comes with several advantages. It provides a sense of privacy, allowing you to express yourself freely without worrying about public scrutiny. It also offers flexibility. You can experiment with different content types without being tied to a specific persona. Furthermore, it opens up a world of creative freedom. Without the pressure of being on camera, you can let your imagination run wild, creating unique and engaging content that resonates with your audience. With a faceless YouTube channel, you can have the best of both worlds. An engaging platform to share your passion and the comfort of anonymity. The first step to creating a successful faceless YouTube channel is choosing your niche. This is the foundation upon which your channel will be built. Think of your niche as the theme of your channel, the central focus that will guide your content creation. There are countless niches out there, some of which are ideally suited for faceless content. For instance, animation channels like The Odd Ones Out or Jaiden Animations have successfully carved a niche in the world of YouTube without ever showing their faces. Their content is engaging, humorous, and relatable, proving that you don't need to be in front of the camera to connect with your audience. Gaming channels are another popular niche. You've probably heard of PewDiePie, but there are countless others like Markiplier or Jacksepticeye who have built massive followings around their gaming content. They offer commentary, tips, and tricks, all without showing their faces. Then there are voiceover tutorial channels. These channels provide instructional content on a wide range of topics, from cooking to software development, all delivered through clear and concise voiceovers. And let's not forget ASMR channels. These channels create audio content designed to trigger a relaxing, tingling sensation in viewers. They focus on sounds, not visuals, making them perfect for faceless content. While these are just a few examples, the possibilities are practically endless. From book reviews to pet care tips, from history lessons to movie critiques, there's a niche for nearly every interest. But remember, the key to a successful channel lies not just in selecting a popular niche, but in choosing a niche you are genuinely passionate about. Your enthusiasm for your chosen topic will shine through your content, engaging your audience and keeping them coming back for more. If you love what you do, it will be easier to maintain consistency in your content, which is crucial for building a loyal audience. Your authenticity will also make your channel stand out in the crowded YouTube landscape. In conclusion, selecting the right niche is a critical first step in creating a successful faceless YouTube channel. Take the time to explore your interests, assess your skills, and understand your audience. Remember, your passion fuels your content. Choose a niche that excites you. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to plan your content and get into the nitty-gritty of video production. Let's dive into some tips and tools that can help you create compelling content for your faceless YouTube channel. First things first, storytelling is key. Even without a face to connect with, your audience still craves a narrative. Every video you create should have a clear beginning, middle, and end. This makes your content more engaging and keeps viewers watching until the last second. Now let's talk about tools and software. You don't need a fancy camera or a state-of-the-art studio to create great content. Many successful YouTubers started with just a smartphone and a good idea. However, investing in a good microphone is crucial. Remember, in a faceless video, your voice is your main tool for connecting with your audience. So, make sure your audio quality is top-notch. For video recording and editing, there are plenty of free and paid software options available. Some popular choices include Adobe Premiere Pro and iMovie. These tools can help you cut, trim, add effects, and much more, giving your videos a professional look. When it comes to creating faceless content, websites like Canva, Powtoon, and Doodly can be your best friends. Canva is a graphic design platform where you can create custom thumbnails, channel banners, and even video intros. Powtoon and Doodly, on the other hand, are animation tools that allow you to create engaging faceless videos. You can create characters, animate objects, and even add voiceovers. Planning is essential at this stage. A content calendar can help you stay organized and ensure a steady stream of content for your audience. Try to plan at least a month in advance. This not only saves you time but also allows you to create a cohesive narrative across your videos. Great content is the backbone of any successful YouTube channel. Invest time in planning and creating high-quality videos. Remember, your audience is there for the value you provide, not the face you show. Having your content ready is only half the battle. The next step is to build an audience and start monetizing your efforts. Now, how do you build an audience? It's all about sharing and promoting your content. Share your videos on social media platforms, forums, and blogs that are relevant to your niche. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Remember, it's not about spamming links everywhere, but about making genuine connections and providing value. Consistency is another crucial factor. Stick to a regular schedule for uploading your videos. This not only keeps your current viewers engaged, but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active, which can help your videos get noticed. Now let's talk about monetization. You've put in the effort and built an audience, so it's time to reap the rewards. One way to earn money is through YouTube's own AdSense. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, ads can be displayed on your videos, and you earn a share of the revenue. Another method is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service in your videos and earning a commission for any sales made through your referral link. It's a great way to earn while providing value to your viewers. Just remember to disclose any affiliate links to maintain transparency. Sponsored content is yet another way to monetize. Companies may pay you to feature their product or service in your video. This can be a great source of income, but remember to only promote products that you genuinely believe in and that align with your content. Lastly, you could create and sell your own products or services. This could be merchandise, an ebook, or even a course. This method requires more effort, but has the potential for higher returns. Remember, monetization isn't just about making money. It's also about building a sustainable channel that can continue to provide value to your audience. It's about turning your passion into a career. Consistency is key, and monetization is the reward. Keep your audience engaged, and the profits will follow. While enjoying the fruits of your labor, it's important to stay safe and secure and keep your community engaged. Firstly, let's discuss privacy. In the digital realm, maintaining your personal privacy is crucial. When running a faceless YouTube channel, it's even more important. Remember, you've opted for anonymity for a reason. To ensure your privacy, consider using a virtual private network, or VPN, when you're online. This encrypts your internet connection, making it harder for anyone to track your online activities. Also, use a separate email address for your YouTube channel. This can help keep your personal and professional lives separate and secure. Additionally, be cautious about the information you share. It can be tempting to share personal anecdotes or details, but remember, every piece of information disclosed can potentially compromise your anonymity. So always think twice before sharing. Interacting with your audience is equally important. Engaging with your viewers through comments, likes, and shares forms a bridge between you and your audience. It creates a sense of community and fosters a loyal following. Responding to comments, acknowledging feedback, and even hosting occasional Q&A sessions can go a long way in building a strong relationship with your viewers. Social media platforms can also be a great way to interact with your audience. You can share updates, behind-the-scenes snippets, or even teasers for upcoming videos. Remember, your audience wants to connect with you, and these platforms offer an excellent opportunity. Just ensure to maintain your anonymity while doing so. One more thing, always remember to respect the privacy of your viewers. If they share personal stories or experiences, handle them with care. Never disclose any viewer's private information without their explicit permission. In conclusion, navigating the world of a faceless YouTube channel requires a balance between maintaining your privacy and engaging with your community. It's a delicate dance, but with mindfulness and respect, it can be done successfully. Your safety and your community are paramount. Maintain your privacy, engage with your audience, and you'll have a successful faceless YouTube channel. So there you have it, the building blocks for a successful faceless YouTube channel. The journey begins with understanding what a faceless channel is and appreciating the advantages of maintaining your anonymity. Following this, dive into the sea of niches, remembering to choose one that sets your heart alight, as passion often translates into engaging content. Brand your channel uniquely and plan your content with an emphasis on storytelling. Use the right tools for video production and don't underestimate the power of good audio. Optimize your thumbnails and titles, build an audience with consistent content, and explore the different avenues to monetize your work. Always respect copyright laws and understand the fair use policy. Engage with your community and use analytics to track your performance. Lastly, never compromise on your privacy and security. Embark on your faceless YouTube journey with confidence. Remember, your voice has power even if your face remains unseen. Happy YouTubing!